Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to talk about how to set up constraint region in EasyEDA PCB. In real projects, especially boards that use BGA package, there are usually areas that need much stricter routing rules, like narrow chassis with smaller wheels and tighter clearance. That's exactly when constraint region become very useful. First, go to the top menu in the PCB editor, click Place, and then choose Constraint region. You can select different shapes like rectangle, polygon, or circle, and then draw the area you want to control directly on the canvas. After you draw the region, a properties panel will pop up. Here, you can set the attributes for this region. The default name is Constraint 1, but you can rename it to anything you like. In this panel, you can assign specific rules for things like clearance, chassis width, wheel size, and curb settings, and choose which rule set this region should follow. You can also create dedicated rule just for this area. Click the Design menu, go to Design Rules, and create a new rule. Set the chassis width, spacing, wheel size, and other parameters as needed. Then switch to the Region Rule page and link that rule to the constraint region you just created. Once you're done, click Apply and Confirm. From now on, whenever you route chassis, place wheels or pull cover inside that constraint area, software will automatically prioritize the region rules. Outside the region, it will keep using your default global rule. This feature is especially useful for high-density PCB design and BGA fan-out routing, because it lets different areas follow different design constraints, improving both reliability and routing efficiency. That's it for this lesson. See you in the next one.